Hi, this is Suchi, and in our today's video, we will look into how to insert icon sets based on the value in Excel. So this is nothing but the next rule in conditional formatting. So we are going to take some small data for better understanding. So here I have taken some dummy data. This you can consider as the rate of some particular product over few months, and this is rating of users for that product. So now what we are going to do is we want to make it more visually interpretable. So how to do that? I want to add some icons based on what, just by looking at the data, I can understand whether this value was high value or low value, whether it was increased, whether it was decreased. For rating also, it will give me a visual impact of the rating. So let's start. First, let me add some arrows here based on the values. So let us go to the icon sets and let's select this one. So if I select this icon set, what it says, it is having 3 arrows. The red arrow, which is downwards, it means a lower value. The green arrow, which is upwards, it shows a higher value. And if something is in between lower and higher, which is in middle, that will be in yellow. So what is the maximum and minimum value of this range? This is a minimum. So what would be the middle value? One or two. So if I add some value like that, it should show a yellow arrow, right? So this is how it would work. So if something is nearest, closest to the middle value, that will be in yellow. Whatever is highest, whatever is closer to the highest value, it will be in green. And whatever is near to the closest to the lowest value, it will be in red. So that's how it represents. And it calculates the things automatically. We don't need to specify which value is the highest, which value is the lowest. It will calculate based on the values in the range. Move to the 4 icon sets. That is nothing but that will add another aspect. So whatever value is lower than the middle value, but that is very close to the middle value, it will be having this arrow. And whatever value is higher than the middle value, but that is very close to the middle value, that will be this upwards, this kind of diagonal arrow. And other things are same, like whatever is closest to the upper value, whatever is closest to the upper value, it will be in green. Whatever is closest to the minimum value, it will be in red. So the same meaning. This is again another thing. What this is doing is, whichever is closest to the minimum, this is actually splitting it into few more parts. So how that is working? Let me show you. This is the highest value, this is the lowest value, and this is the middle value, right? Now, so this is the lowest value. Then the middle value is 102.775 and the highest value is 109.08. Now it adds 2 more checkpoints, which is the middle value of these two. So that is what? That is nothing but this value plus this value divided by 2. So it has added like this. These are the 5 checkpoints, and this represents each of these arrows. If I add this conditional formatting here, we can see it more accurately. So this red arrow, whichever value is closest to this value, it will be having this red arrow. Whichever value is closest to this value, it will be having this arrow. Whichever value is closest to this, it will be having this arrow. So guess what? If we have something like this, 99.7, it will be having this arrow. So basically, these are the checkpoints, and whichever value we are considering, if it is closest to any of this, that will take the sign from that particular value. For ratings part, we have even more interesting symbols. For example, stars, as we can see in most of the cases in many applications. So this is a very good representative of rating. Here we go. If we add star, it looks like this. We can also add something from other sets, like this one. It is showing something like network bars in mobile phone and all. So this is also good for rating symbols. This is also one pie chart. So this is how we can make our data representation more interesting by adding some icon sets.